Okay guys, today we're working on step 23. We've got our elevator trim bracket. We're gonna Cleco the bracket in between the skins. So I'm gonna have to take these Clecos out and get it in between the elevator skin and the trim mounting channel there. So we'll go ahead and get started on that. Guys, today we're working on step 24. We're working on the trim control horn. We're going to go ahead and Cleco that and rivet it onto the trim tab and go ahead and get started with that. For real-time updates on the build, please follow me on Instagram, brads_aviation_channel. Also follow my builder's blog at bradslingtsi.wordpress.com.